Okay, this is how much oil is coming out of the exhaust every time I start it. That's quite a bit of oil. I don't think it's coming from the oil supply because it is not using up any of that oil. It is right on the brink of setting off the oil level. I filled it up. This is a brand new tank. I filled it up just to where it kicks off the oil warning light. I didn't want to put too much oil in there just in case I had to take it off. So I highly doubt it's using that much oil. It will not start unless I bottle feed it. So I have to spray gas in there just to start it. And let's see if it'll start. That's it. I took off the damn vacuum petcock, put a manual on there, and I don't even know if it's sucking any fuel in this line. So yeah, I don't know why the hell this thing ain't starting. So, and it won't keep starting unless I bottle feed it. So that's this week's update.